Hey, what's up you guys? It's Milo. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if you have been here before, it has been like a year or two since I've posted, so I'm so excited to be back. Today, I'm going to be doing a thrift haul. I went like $45 over my budget today, but regardless, I got a lot of cool stuff. There's some Hot Topic branded items and a bunch of other stuff. So it's all clothes. That's what I'm going to be showing you. And that's kind of all I have for the intro, other than saying thank you so much for coming back if you are an old subscriber that found me again today. There will be timestamps linked in the description, and they should show up along the bar on the bottom if you're only interested in something. I have shirts, I have a hoodie, I have shoes, I have pants, I have skirts. So whatever you want to see, you can just skip ahead to that. Anyways, let's get into it. First thing I'm going to show you are the shoes that I got. I'm not putting these on for multiple reasons. Biggest reason is they're open-toed and I don't need my feet on the internet. Though I am going to take pictures of these and put them on Instagram, so if you really want to see my feet, I guess follow me on Instagram. But, okay, can I walk in heels like this? No, I cannot. Actually, I don't know, because I've never worn heels like this. But I couldn't not buy them. Like, they're glitter rhinestone, like, I don't know, and they're spiky too, so obviously I had to buy them. I don't know, they were like $12, so I said fuck it, and I bought them. Let's find out if I can walk in these. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna break my ankle. I literally have a wrap on my ankle right now. Walking in these is probably a bad idea, but you know, maybe I'll have a wrap on both ankles by the end of it. Oh, I'm on one foot in these heels. Horrible idea, horrible idea. Oh, that made me tall. Okay, hold on, we're gonna do a little strut to see if I can walk. They're slippery too. I'm dragging the heel. I think you're supposed to not drag the heel. Okay, so I can't walk in these. They make me significantly taller though. So I do like that because I'm 5'5". Anyway, let's do the hoodie that I got now. So this is the hoodie that I got. It's very simple. It's a black hoodie, zip up hoodie. Is it still a hoodie if it zips? Okay, it's a black jacket with a skull and crossbones on it. There's nothing on the back. Very simple. It's also really thin. Like, can you see through it with the ring light? No, you can't. It's very thin, so this is not going to offer me any protection from the cold, but all of my jackets right now are hoodies. Is there a difference, or am I making this more complicated than it needs to be? Regardless, they're all pullovers, so they don't zip, and I like to have my zip because I like you to be able to see the shirt that I'm wearing, because the t-shirt is always what I center my entire outfit around. So I got this. I figure in like the fall and spring, it's kind of spring right now, when I want an extra layer but not really and I don't want to get hot, I'm just gonna wear this because it goes with everything. It has the skull. There were so many hoodies and so many sweatshirts I wanted to get. There was one that had like a butterfly. It was like half butterfly, half skull, and then it had skull butterflies down the sleeves. But I'm trying to buy less, just in general, less everything, because I spend money in order to be happy, and that's not healthy. So this is the only one that I got, but it's simple, it's cute, it's soft, so I splurged on it. Next up, I got two t-shirts, so I will show you those. So this is the first one that I got. I love tie-dye right now. It's a thing. So many tie-dye items I almost bought and told myself not to. Thrift stores, mad expensive. They're getting mad expensive. A lot of the tie-dye shirts that I wanted were just like I don't know how to pronounce it, Gildan? The brand that makes t-shirts pretty much. And they were just their normal tie-dye shirts that they sell a million of a year. They were selling them for like $6 for one of those t-shirts. You can go and buy one of those for like $2. Like if you're getting them wholesale, anyways. But this is kind of tie-dye. It's like tie-dye acid wash, but it's black and blue, and you can't see it from where I'm standing. There's little like devil angel skulls on it. I feel like this is a good summer look, like this with like black ripped jeans and like some snazzy shoes. I feel like that's a look, so I got this one. The next shirt I got is this, Destroy American Fascism. I was looking through t-shirts, not finding anything good. What I do is I go and I just like ignore everything until I see something black, and then I look at it to see if it's like a band shirt or something. Found a Falling in Reverse shirt today, didn't buy it, wanted to buy it, didn't buy it because it was kind of just a picture of Ronnie, and Radke is not, I just call him Radke. Radke is not the most loving towards trans people, so I was like, I can't wear him on a t-shirt, but I wanted to buy it so bad. Regardless, going through, there's like this many shirts left at the end. I'm not finding anything good. I'm like, oh, that one's black. I look at it. It says "Destroy American Fascism" on it. So obviously I bought it. There were a couple shirts I wanted to buy to wear, like specifically to wear to protest, but I already have a good amount of protest shirts, so I didn't. And then on the back, Umbrella. If you do know who that is, it's probably from Rage Against the Machine. So, pretty cool. I'm gonna go put my Pierce the Veil shirt back on because it's more comfy than this. And then I'll show you, what will I show you? I'm gonna show you the pants that I got. So these are the pants that I got. Ignore the knee brace that messes with the whole aesthetic, but my shirt's like tucked in. There's not a good way to film this, but they're pretty much, the first thing I thought when I saw them, other than, oh my gosh, they're tie-dye, is they're kind of the like pan pride flag colors a little bit. Anyways, they're not ripped on the back because that would suck. Actually, I haven't looked at the back. That looks really cool. I'm not just showing you, ignore that. But they're ripped all the way down. I really want to find some black jeans that are like this where they're like the slit rips all the way down. The only issue that I am encountering with these is that the rips come up to here, like here. So what am I supposed to wear underneath? That's the only problem that I'm having with them. But every once in a while I go through a pastel phase. I think these could go well with like a scene outfit as well because they're very colorful. They could go with a lot of the scene t-shirts I have that have kind of pastel colors on them. But I go through my pastel goth phase every couple months or couple years depending on how I'm feeling that year. And these are just something straight off of my Pinterest board when I was 14. I'm realizing if I'm talking to you, I should probably be looking at you, but these are something straight off of like my Pinterest board from when I was 14. I was just getting into alternative styles, but I was Mormon and I was very preppy. So obviously pastel goth was the first. I was like, okay, this is still preppy, like pastel goth, and then it just really spiraled from there. Anyways, I ended up being scene, so I kept the color in there. The emo phase though will always live on within scene Milo. But yeah, I'll probably do some pastel goth like outfit videos at some point. Not even pastel goth, but just pastel alternative, and these will definitely be featured. The next pair of pants are leggings, and I don't wear leggings because that would be very awkward in multiple ways. But I'm gonna show you why I bought leggings, and hopefully they fit me because the thrift store doesn't have changing rooms anymore. Okay, this is why I bought leggings. This looks so good. I actually didn't try these on like with the shorts before I decided to film this right now, but they're these checker patterned black and white leggings, and I'm obsessed with checkerboard and checker pattern. It's my favorite pattern, probably because squares are my favorite shape. I love squares, cubes, all my favorite. I got them to wear underneath shorts or skirts. I might keep them on for the next skirt that I'm gonna show you, but not both of them because they would clash horribly with the plaid one that I'll show you. But yeah, I also thought I could wear these underneath ripped jeans because I do wear like striped tights underneath ripped jeans or fishnets, and I think these would look really cool under black ripped jeans. They are pretty tight on me. I mean, they're leggings, but they're a little small, but whatever, because they're supposed to look like tights anyway. But I was super glad I found these. I went over the whole legging section and couldn't find anything, and again, like, I only wear them under things, so they have to be something fun, a fun pattern that'll add like a pop to my outfit. Just regular leggings I don't need because I won't wear them. Didn't find anything that I wanted, and then I was walking past it to go to somewhere else, and these were on the very end. I was like, oh my god, will those fit me? I don't think they will. I'm buying them anyway, and they fit me well enough, so very happy about this find. Now for the two skirts that I got. For the first one, this will probably clash horribly anyways, but I'm gonna keep these on just to see if it does look horrible. I'll take them off for the second one. Okay, listen, this is not the outfit that I would be wearing this skirt with. So don't judge it too harshly. Just don't judge it too harshly, because this isn't what I would be wearing it with. I look like a clown, like an actual clown. Anyways, it's this pink denim. Oh, these pockets are like, I could fit my entire phone in here. Slay. It's this pink denim skirt. I don't love that has buttons like all the way, but regardless, it's just a cute pink mini skirt moment. I wanted to do some like Y2K Barbie type inspired outfit with this, so that's what I'm gonna do. I will do a whole video styling probably everything that I got in here, maybe separate videos because that would take a while. So I promise that you'll see on the channel and on Instagram how I make the skirt not look stupid, but Regardless, it was cute. It was bright pink, which is my second favorite color. So I had to buy it. You know what? Comment down below. Why? You've seen the skirt. You can look at me now. Anyways, comment below your second favorite color, because first favorite color is a generic, boring, overused question to ask. What's your second favorite color? Mine is bright pink. Neon pink, to be specific. Anyways, I'm gonna put on the second skirt that I bought. Y'all, how long has it been like this? You're probably watching this video so agitated that my choker's been completely sideways. It's an axe. It's a bloody axe, if anyone was wondering. I have a bunch of little weapons that go on chokers. The axe is my favorite though. Comment down below your favorite one. Just kidding. Just kidding. I'm gonna go change. I found this Hot Topic brand skirt. It's neon green. I'm obsessed with it. Neon green plaid. It's almost like a Slytherin skirt, except for it's neon. I should do like a neon Slytherin cosplay would just look stupid. It would just look like I did the wrong green. Regardless, do a little, ooh. I feel like I've seen this exact skirt in Hot Topic on multiple occasions and almost bought it, but then it was like $40. So I can't believe I found it thrifted and it fits me. It's also soft, very soft. Doesn't have pockets though, like the other one. It does have a belt, has belt loops. If you wanna be like 2020 alt kid and put your belt with the skirt and then don't tuck the end of the belt in and let it flop everywhere, you could do that if you wanted to. I'm realizing while filming this video, this is something I already knew, but I'm realizing while filming this video that I have gained a lot of weight. And that's one reason that I went shopping for clothes, because I grew out of all my pants. My shirts have been huge on me my whole life, so it's fine. Most of my shirts still fit me. But I grew out of all my pants, and so I wanted to go. I only got one pair of pants, but wanted to go see what there was. And as I put this skirt on and like looked at my legs and tucked the shirt in and looked in the mirror, I have gained so much weight, and I'm very proud of myself for eating food. I used to have an eating disorder, not recently, but years ago. And even before that, gaining weight was a big deal in my life. I was always very scrawny, like to an unhealthy point. And so I've gained a lot of weight, and it's really good. But as someone that did have an eating disorder for a very long time, I look at myself, I'm like, oh my gosh, I gained weight, that's awesome, I look so good, I look strong, I look healthy. But then I also look at myself and I'm like, you have gained so much weight. So anyway, that was just like a side note. I don't know, this outfit made me feel really weird about myself. I have never looked like this in a skirt and t-shirt. I don't know, I always looked like a Barbie doll, like an unhealthy Barbie doll with like a waist that's like here, and then like the skirt. I mean, I was never curvy, but the skirt like goes, because it's like the waist is tiny. That's what I always looked like. I cut myself off because I started getting into specifics, and that might be like triggering for some people, but I was always tiny. I'm not tiny anymore. I'm very happy with the way I look. But this outfit makes me feel very weird. Regardless of that, I'm keeping this on for the rest of the video, which is just gonna be for another second. Anyway, I got 3 more things that I'm not gonna try on and show you. They're things I bought to DIY. And I'm gonna show you those 3 things and tell you what I'm gonna do with them. It's really 2 things, to be honest. But the first one is there even like a front or back to this? The tag's ripped out. This feels like the front, I don't know. The first thing is this zebra print shirt. Something I can't tell if I love or hate about it is it's all frayed, like on purpose, on the bottom and on the sleeves. Not on the neck, thank God, because that would be so uncomfortable. But I need more animal print in my life, and I need more neon colors in my life. So I think you can't tell on camera because I have a cool toned light, but it's more of a cream than a white, but it's still pretty light. So I think what I'm gonna do is dye this like bright pink. I wanted to do it like turquoise, but because it's already cream, I thought going with a warm color would probably be my best bet so it doesn't turn like a muddy green or something. So I'm gonna dye this. I'll do a video with everything I'm about to show you on how I do that. I'm gonna dye this hot pink and then probably not wear it on its own, but wear it under things. I love layering, if you can't tell. Have like hot pink zebra sleeves. And then the last thing, slash 2 things, are 2 pairs of white jeans, because again, I can't find neon jeans, and I had neon pink jeans. I wore them yesterday to take pictures, realized I've grown out of them, can't barely walk in them, so I have to get rid of those. But I can't find neon pink jeans anywhere, because that's not a thing that people wear anymore. I grew out of my turquoise jeans. I've never in my life seen neon green jeans. So I bought white jeans and I'm going to make them whatever color I want. Probably neon pink and turquoise since I already had those pants and I'm gonna miss them. I'll get more and I'll do neon green, but they're not special. They're white jeans, both of them. There's white jeans. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video, especially if you made it all the way to the end. I really appreciate that. It means a lot. By the way, since I grew out of so much of my clothes, I am selling them all on Mercari to raise money for my surgery. I will link my Mercari down below and put on the screen some items that are available on sale there. Also, if you go there and you see something and you're like, that's too expensive, first of all, make me an offer. Second of all, the prices drop every couple days. There's a really cool setting on Mercari where you can make that happen. So every few days, they slowly go down and down in price. So just keep an eye on it. But that is all for today's video. I'm going to be uploading a lot more frequently because I have my life back together. So subscribe if you're not already to see more stuff like this. It's gonna be a lot of outfit videos just like it used to be, but also some other videos, maybe some vlogs if I get the confidence again. And don't forget to like the video if you like the video. It feels so awkward doing like promo. I haven't been in the YouTuber mindset in so long. It feels rude to tell you to like the video. Like, if you wanted to, you would. Anyway, like the video if you want to, and subscribe and do all the things and follow my social media or whatever that I'm supposed to say here. I love you so much, and I will see you guys on the streets. Bye.
I know this pretty scene girl, I wish you could've seen her. I know she got some problems, but I don't wanna leave her. And every time I see her, she makes me get this feeling. It feels just like I'm dreaming, gets me higher than the ceiling. I know this pretty scene girl, I wish you could've seen her. I know she got some problems, but I don't wanna leave her. And every time I see her, she makes